Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download WebDriver in Winzip step by step so you can get it installed quickly and safely. For step 1, open your web browser and go to the official Winzip website, because this is where you can safely download the software needed to zip your files. Using the official site ensures you get the correct version without any unwanted programs. Once the page loads, you'll be ready for the next step. For step 2, navigate to the Downloads or Tools section on the Winzip site, as this is where all the available tools and installers are located. This section makes it easy to find what you need without searching the whole website. Take a moment to look for the Winzip options listed there. For step 3, click the Download button and choose a location on your PC to save the installer file, making sure you select a place you can easily find later. This step is important because the installer must be stored safely before you can open it. The download will begin immediately once you confirm the save location. For step 4, after the download completes, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the program, allowing Winzip to be added to your computer. The installation process is simple and usually takes only a few moments. When it finishes, you'll be ready to start zipping your files for email. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective.